Welcome everybody. This is a video tutorial working with Excel, and in this video I'm going to do some more tutorials about manipulating the contents in spreadsheets using Excel, Microsoft Office Excel. This video is brought to you by motherlessgoat.com. You'll probably want to write that down. We have a lot of other helpful tutorials there for you to watch. We also offer all the products you need to get your business online. So whether you need a website built, we can build one for you. We can help you register your own website name, the domain name. We can also help you with email plans, hosting plans, SSL certificates, e-commerce products, so you can sell products online. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so feel free to give us a call if you need any help with anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. You can watch this video as many times as you need to, and we have other videos over at Motherless Goat. But let's say, for example, I'm just going to go over a bunch of different things here. Let's say, for example, I want to copy this information and move it. Let's say I want to make a duplicate of it. What I can do is I can click my mouse in the first box and drag my mouse to the third box and let go. And then what I can do is I can right mouse click and go to copy, and I can come down here and click where I want it. Click in the cell so it highlights, right mouse click, go to paste, and there it is. I also have the option of moving it a couple other ways. I can highlight them again. I can go up here to edit, go to copy, come down where I want it, click in the cell, go back to edit, and go down to paste, and there it is. I can also highlight the contents again, and on my keyboard I can use the shortcuts. For a PC, it would be you would push down the control button on the bottom left hand corner, and then the letter C with your other finger, so control C, and then let go, nothing happens. Let's see here. Let me highlight them. I go control C, I let go immediately. I come down where I want it, I click in the cell, and this time I do a control and the letter V as in Victor. Control V. And there it is. V means paste. If you're using a Mac, you're going to go do the Command button. You're going to do Command C, and then you'll bring it down here, and you'll do Command V as in Victor. Let's say I want to copy all this information. I can copy it. I can move it over here. If I want to highlight it, I can click in the cell, come up here and change the font color. I can also change the background of a cell. Click on the little bucket, click on the color yellow. Now you'll notice that this line is pretty long, and the yellow is only covering part of it. Well, the reason is because the boundaries of the cell need to be widened. So what I can do is I can go up here on the D that covers that entire first column that it's in, and what I can do is I can grab that little line between D and E, and I can click on it and I can drag it over. So I can click on these lines and I can drag them and widen them if I want to. So you'll notice if I widen this, that yellow will get wider. Watch. See? I can click in the cell. I can go up here to the fonts, I can change the font size. And then I can widen the cell even more. Another thing I can do is, let's say I want to get rid of this column completely. I don't want any of that in here. Well, I can delete that entire column, and then this C column will become column B. What I do is I click directly on the B. The entire line, the entire column highlights, and then I right mouse click on B and I go to delete, and now it's gone. Or what I can do is I can click on column A, I can right mouse click on A, I can go to copy, I can come over here to B, click on B, right mouse click, and then, well, let's see, that's not going to work because there's contents in it. Let's see. Let's say I want to put in a new row right here above what's currently here. I want to make A1 A in and 1 right there, this cell, I want to move that down a line. I want to put something else in column 1, but I don't want to lose what's currently here. So what I can do is I can right mouse click on, I can click on the number 1, so the entire row lights up, and then I can right mouse click and I can go down to insert and watch what happens. There it goes. Now let's say I want to put another row in there too. I can click on one again, I can right mouse click, and I can go to insert. But let's say I got to put a bunch of them in there. Well, I highlight 2 blank rows, I right mouse click, and I go to insert, and now it'll double them. If I highlight the 4 now, right mouse click, go to insert, it'll make it 8. See how that works? And you can do the same thing for the columns. You can click on B, I can click on right mouse click on B, go to insert, and now a new column just loaded up. Now B moved over to C. So I can do the same thing again. I can right mouse click on B, I can go to insert, and now I got 2 columns in replace before this. If I highlight the 2 now, go to insert, it'll make it 4. And now everything is moved over. I'm going to resize these lines, and you'll see here now that I got 4 before this F column. I guess that's about it for this. We've got other video tutorials over at Motherless Goat about using Excel. Feel free to come over and watch them. Tell your friends and family members if you hear that they need any products. We'd love to have you as a customer. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.